Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact Trello's customer support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you want to do is open up a web browser and head on over to Trello.com. And now once you're at Trello.com, you want to scroll down to the website's footer. So keep scrolling down and then you'll see a contact us button here. So need anything, get in touch and we can help. So click into that. And now this support chat will open. Now from here you need to log in to continue, so choose which login that you've signed up with. So for me it's TutorialWiz, so I'm going to continue as TutorialWiz. And now this is going to redirect me back to the live chat assistant. So I'm going to click on create my account. Alright, so as you can see, contact support. Need assistance, submit a request below and we'll get to work. So what can we help you with? So click onto the button, choose which best describes your problem or situation. So if you've got my account, go to my account and now scroll down and you can click on continue without logging in, or you can log in again. I'm just going to do continue without logging in. Choose a topic. So I'm just going to click on reactivate subscription. I can put in, tell us what you'd like to change. Just go through the prompts and assistant chat box might appear. So if that appears, it says here Atlassian from customer support. So we can open up this chat box and it says connect with a customer advocate. So I've clicked onto that. So customer advocate is basically customer support, and just say what your issue is and they'll be able to help you out with it.